Right, today is Sunday, so we're gonna get together for a little Sunday fun day. I am meeting up with some friends and we're gonna go to our friend Isabelle's house. She lives in this place called Penguin House, which I guess offers programs for computer programming. And so she lives there. It looks like a pretty cool place, but it has a pool, which is really nice. So we're gonna get together and go swimming. But I looked outside and it is now pouring rain. So I guess I will leave in a few minutes.
There are 2 cats that live here, and then there's also like tons of stray cats. But this one's part of the house. Aww. We also have 3 turtles.
Oh, so, cool.
Hola. See.
Oh,
3 turtles. Hello.
Beginning our tour.
Perfect. And then, in here, so they were cleaning because this week there weren't classes. But this is where they have all of the tables set up, and they'll teach classes in here. Which is really cool. So they normally have class like 9 to 12, and then like 7 to 10 at night. So it'll be just people here. They normally have the door open, and people just like come in and take classes here.
Cool.
I don't know if they took it down. No, I think it's like the one that was just right by the front door. There's like Penguin. Yeah. But yeah, so then this is the kitchen over here. And so everyone who lives here has like a little like section to put their food.
Very cool.
But it's really nice. Like they use the oven for food.
How many people live here?
Right now, I think it's full right now. But I can show you upstairs is where my room is. There's 4 bedrooms, and then there's 2 bedrooms over here. So then this is the, yeah, this cat likes to sit up there on the
Oh, weird.
top, like above the fridge, and it will watch us as we eat.
Oh.
It's very opportunistic. But then there's a room here, and then there's a room here. And then there's laundry, bathroom, here. And then there's actually like another fridge in here. It's probably the storage space in this room. Cats ate the food already. I put out more food last night. They ate it all. And then, go. So small.
Oh. Hello, guy.
This is the backyard. This is where they have this.